What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Here is my eating schedule and everything I eat in a day in order to feel good all day long. That means no food coma, no bloating, and no feeling hungry. Good morning everyone. We want good vibes only today when it comes to the food we eat. The first thing I take care of around 8 a.m. is my gut health. Our gut health is like our second brain, which means our digestive system can really affect our mood as well as our health. I have a little jar in my pantry called digestion, and I keep my prebiotic and probiotic packets in there along with my drinkable hyaluronic acid to help with my hair, skin, and nails. If you watch my morning routine videos, you know I drink these two all the time. I just pour the powders together and then add about 4 ounces of water to my cup. Now it's smoothie time with Maya. I find that smoothies are the best way to get nutrients straight into your body first thing in the morning, and it's super easy to digest. I have a few smoothie videos on my channel should you be interested in some of the things that I drink. I eat every 3 hours or so I find that the smoothie is the perfect way to start my day. Of course, also make sure to drink a lot of water. If you drink a lot in the morning, you're going to start off ahead. Alright, it is now 9 a.m. I already showered and I'm ready for my day, but I need a little snack, so let's go make our healthy snack. And by healthy snack, I just mean, food that's going to fuel my body and make me feel fuller longer because of all of the nutrients. La la la. Oh, that was great. So in the mornings, I love to have apples. Where are my apples? Oh, here they are. There are so many different ways to cut an apple. And then I can grab some almond butter, drizzle it with a little bit of honey, and it tastes so delicious. Almond butter. So I have very natural almond butter, so it separates from the oil and the almonds. So I like to leave it upside down. And just a little. Back out of my cave. It's time for lunch, and today for lunch I'm going to make some gluten-free tacos, and I think that's it. And then for dinner we're gonna have some Korean food. Yum! Let's have a quick chat. So the reason why I eat gluten-free from time to time is because I found that that's what makes my gut feel the best. I don't feel bloated, I don't feel really groggy, I don't get food coma when I'm eating gluten-free. But that doesn't mean I never eat gluten. Sometimes I have a pizza, sometimes I have a hamburger, it does not matter. Sometimes I'll have pastries and cakes and whatnot, but it's all about balance, and when I feel like I don't need it, then I'm not going to reach for it. So in my grocery shopping video, I also talked about some of my favorite gluten-free products, but of course you don't have to make it gluten-free. Go ahead and have whatever your body wants because it can handle it. In my pantry, I always have some type of taco seasoning, so I used half of this, so we'll just finish the rest. Yeah! So the tortilla I'm using is siete almond flour, but their cassava flour one is good too, and I have this in my grocery haul video as well. It actually just tastes like regular tortilla, but gluten-free. Paleo, non-GMO, gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, vegan. Amazing. So while we wait, I am going to just chop my lettuce. This could very well turn into a taco salad. It just depends how I feel. My mom gave me these meal prep containers, and so I'm going to just save the leftover lettuce and the leftover meat in there. My Always pan is definitely one of my favorite pans, and I think I might buy another one just because it cooks everything so evenly and it's non-stick. After I clean out my pan, I then heat up my almond flour tortillas just for about a minute or so on each side. Okay, so I've got some lettuce, some ground beef. I cut this little itty bitty avocado. I would technically eat more, it's just this is the piece that I cut, so it's okay. I've got my siete tortilla chips and then some foti salsa. Okay, please someone tell me life hacks on how to open these things because too hard. Oh gosh, I did it. Amazing. So now I happily eat my tacos while watching Korean dramas. Even though I don't look so happy, I have an RBF, so when I'm not talking, I seem to look angry, but I promise I'm not. Yummy, here it is. I rarely watch anything during the day, but when I work from home, sometimes I'll watch a little bit of a Korean drama while I'm eating lunch. Okay, for my afternoon snack, I'm going to heat up my sweet potato. I already baked it and then I just leave it in the fridge. Wow, my hair looks like a Korean pop star's hair. I leave it in the fridge and then whenever I want to eat it, I just heat it up again in my conventional oven. Or you can microwave it. Koreans eat a lot of sweet potatoes. It's like the best snack and it's so filling. It has a lot of nutrients. Typically when I bake it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour and a half to 2 hours. You know a sweet potato is ready when you can peel the skin easily. Alright, it is dinner time and I'm making Korean food. I always have brown rice on hand in my fridge or in my freezer. I usually use my rice cooker to make brown rice and it comes out great because there is a brown rice setting, but that's what we have. Tonight for dinner, I am having some Korean food. It's keranjim, which is Korean steamed egg. So enjoy this little montage of me cooking. Make sure to put a lid on top. I did not have one that fitted, but that's okay. And then set the timer for 10 minutes. Alrighty, time to eat. I am eating in my room because my roommate is having a Bible study, so it is okay because I've got my food, I've got my Korean drama. I eat about this much brown rice, so about a little more than half a cup. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I eat and also my eating schedule. I try to stick to the schedule as much as I can because it gets my body into a routine, and you know I'm all about the routines and my body is all about the routines. But ultimately, I don't want anyone to feel guilty about the food that they eat because our bodies do so much for us. It's really just about taking care of yourself and thanking your body for all the hard work that it does for us every single day to keep us alive. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe and I'll see you later. And last but not least, I'm eating these cuties, or just one cutie, yes.